What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to another edition of ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop, and of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Hey, listen, guys. Sometimes on the channel we bring you educational content. Today we're going to be bringing you some news on a particular person by the name of Mr. Charlie Munger. Charlie Munger is a vice chair of Berkshire Hathaway, and he has been issuing some very negative statements, to say the least, on BTC. So we're going to jump into this story. You guys let us know what you think in the comments down below. Justin, take it away.
Yeah. So first off, before I get into the story, I think Charlie Munger is kind of like Charlie Brown. You remember that scene where I can't remember her name, but the girl has the ball, he's kicking the field goal, and she just swipes it away. He falls on his ass. Yeah, that's gonna be Charlie Munger and how he feels about Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is gonna do big things, as we all know, because we're all here for crypto. But even though cryptocurrencies have received widespread adoption globally, there is a group of critics who don't favor digital assets. Warren Buffett is one such critic who has publicly expressed his opposition to cryptocurrency. Buffett's right-hand man, Charlie Munger, recently shared his opinion to the Wall Street Journal, where he shared his opinion on banning cryptocurrencies in the United States. Munger is a 99. I'm going to say that again. 99. He's been on this earth for 99 years, and he's a billionaire and the vice president of Berkshire Hathaway, or vice chairman, sorry, not president. His opinion on banning cryptocurrencies in the United States, just like in China, has made the community express their disagreement with Munger. Munger stated the cryptocurrencies are not currencies, commodities, or securities. Instead, it's a gambling contract with a nearly 100% edge for the house. Yeah, tell that to all people who made money on crypto. Right. Entered into in a country where gambling contracts are traditionally regulated only by states that compete in laxity. Obviously, the United States should now enact a new federal law that prevents this from happening. He also shared his opinion that the best way to deal with cryptocurrency is to ban it. Just ban it, just like China. However, the cryptocurrency community couldn't keep quiet listening to his arguments on one of the best technologies, and we can't keep quiet either because we're talking about it. Some Twitter users additionally even created memes with the newspaper cutting that read, "Old man yells at Bitcoin." Yeah, look at this. From The Simpsons. I love it.
It's so accurate.
One Twitter user even wrote, "Isn't Charlie Munger old enough to be your great-grandfather? I mean, do you go to your great-grandfather for investment advice on new technologies? 100%. Old ways, man. Stuck on these old ways." Other committee members also expressed their disagreement, stating 99-year-old Charlie Munger, who doesn't know anything about technology, says the U.S. should ban Bitcoin. So, Hobbs, what do you think about Mr. 99-year-old Charlie Munger?
Oh, my
Look at
God.
that face. Ban Bitcoin.
This guy was born in 1925. Bitcoin wasn't even produced until 2007. So, I mean, I don't think that I would be taking advice from him about anything investing. I mean, if you look at Berkshire Hathaway, they have probably about 50 or 60, maybe 100 companies that they're invested in, and they're all old news, right? They're still making money. They're still profitable. Obviously, he's a billionaire, so he knows about money, but he knows about making money in the old way. To criticize Bitcoin and call it a gambling atmosphere or whatever you wanted to call it, and the house is always in charge. Well, I compare that to the stock market, right? Stock market, obviously, we're trading, actual stocks or whatever. But at the end of the day, it's a gambling arena for day traders. If you're an investor, sure, it's not so much gambling. But at the same time, lately, it's been like gambling. But ultimately, the house is in charge, the house being the people that hold all the cash. He who holds the cash holds all the cards, right? So if you're day trading or if you're trading crypto or stocks, it's still gambling. He's not wrong about that. However, to criticize Bitcoin and say that it should just be banned when some people that got in 2007 to this day are up almost 50,000 or 100,000% is absolutely insane. I think that Bitcoin will continue to strive. And I think that he just can't see the forest through the trees because he doesn't want to. He likes the way his money is made. He likes the way his bread is buttered. But I mean, he's pushing 99. How much longer do we got to hear from this guy? So just let him keep at it.
Yeah, I mean, back in his day, I'm sure there were people who were just as old as he is now. I mean, probably not that old. I don't know if they lasted this long back then, but
Yeah.
there was old people for that time who was probably telling him not to invest in those businesses that were gambles back in the day. And he probably was the same person who was a trailblazer who was like, nah, man, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna invest in this cutting edge new technology. And now he finds himself being that same grumpy old man that's like, look, whippersnappers, don't invest in this because you'll get wrecked. Where really it's like, dang, man, you just missed out on, you got 1 billion. You could be having 10 billion right now. You would have put some of that money into Bitcoin back in 2008 when you was, thinking a little bit clearer. So, it is what it is, but can't teach an old dog new tricks.
I'll end it with this. He's not the richest person on this planet, but at one point Elon Musk was. And we just did a story. You should go check it out on ClearCryptos channel about Elon Musk actually investing into Bitcoin, and he's much richer than this guy. So you guys let us know what you think in the comments down below. But my name is T Haas from the Crypto Shop. That man above is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.